Have you set your health and wellness goals for this year yet? The journey to health and wellness is more than just a physical endeavor. It is a holistic process that encompasses mental clarity, emotional stability, and a deep connection with your inner self. By harnessing the power of meditation and mindfulness, you can manifest a state of well-being that permeates every aspect of your life. Manifesting health and wellness starts from within, and meditation can be your guide. Now, prepare yourself for a brief yet powerful guided meditation session. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down, just ensure your body is at ease. Close your eyes gently and redirect your attention inward. Let's initiate this journey with deep, conscious breathing. Inhale slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest and your abdomen. Hold on to this breath for a moment, then exhale gently, releasing any tension or stress stored within your body. Repeat this cycle, each breath taking you deeper into a state of relaxation and tranquility. Remember, your breath is the bridge connecting your body and mind, a powerful tool to manifest health and wellness. As you continue to breathe deeply, begin to visualize your ideal state of health and wellness. Imagine a radiant beam of light, imbued with healing energy, entering your body with each breath. This light touches every cell, every organ, and every system within your body, revitalizing and rejuvenating them. You are filled with vitality, energy, and strength. Now shift this light towards your mind. See it clearing away any fog or clutter, bringing clarity, focus, and peace. Your thoughts are positive, your mind is sharp, and your spirit is calm. Next, let this light permeate your emotional being. Feel it soothing any emotional wounds, easing anxiety, and fostering resilience. You are filled with love, joy, and peace. Allow yourself to bask in this sensation of complete health and wellness. Feel the synergy of a healthy body, a clear mind, and a tranquil spirit. This is your ideal state, the manifestation of your health and wellness. It is not a distant dream, but a reality you're creating right now, in this very moment. Hold on to this feeling, this sensation of being healthy and well. Embrace it, believe in it, and know that it is within your power to manifest it in your daily life. Carry this sensation of health and wellness with you, even after this meditation ends. Remember, the journey to health and wellness begins within you. It is a continuous process, a daily practice. Embrace this journey with love and patience and watch the transformation unfold. Did you find this meditation session helpful? We sincerely hope it has sparked a desire in you to make meditation a part of your everyday life. Feel free to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Remember, your journey towards health and wellness is a continuous one. Keep meditating, keep manifesting. Until next time, stay healthy and well.